Welcome back. Directorate of Food and Drugs Administration will hold special camps for granting fresh and renewing food licenses in 4 major cities in Goa. As per new rules, every business establishment dealing in food products has to take fresh licenses or face fine up to 50,000 rupees.
Since August 2011, Directorate of Food and Drug Administration has started issuing fresh licenses to all big and small establishments dealing in food products. Till 31st December, they have covered and issued licenses to over 27% of the existing ones. New licenses and registration are done as per the new guidelines of Union Government.
Government of India has repealed the earlier Prevention of Food Adulteration Act and the new Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 has been enforced. Now under the regulations, the registration and licensing of all food establishment, all food vendors dealing in food articles by whichever manner, maybe by street food, maybe by fast food, maybe retail, wholesale, packing, manufacturer, hotelier, whatever means, are all required to take a license or registration under the new act. Government of India has given them time to switch over immediately.
Establishments have been divided into 2 categories. Establishments earning revenue below 12 lakhs fall in first category and those earning above this limit in second category. Every establishment would be now registered and given fresh licenses.
Those whose annual turnover is less than 12 lakhs, and the major food business operators are those who are above 12 lakhs annual turnover. They are major food business operators. Now those which are below annual turnover of 12 lakhs have to take registration. Now, and those which are above 12 lakhs have to come under a licensing.
For conveniences of local businessmen, Department has decided to hold camps for renewal of licenses and other work in 4 major cities in Goa. On 24th and 25th January, the camp will be held in Madgaon. On 30th and 31st, camp is scheduled in Fonda. 1st and 2nd February in Mapsa, and 6th and 7th February at Vasco. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar.
Now, news from sports. Defending champion Salgonka Sports Club scored a handsome 4-0 victory over relegation candidates HAL in I-League on Wednesday. The home side looked in great command throughout the match at the Nehru Stadium in Fatorda. Salgonka have now scored 5 victories in the last 6 I-League matches. This consistent run of form will bolster Salgonka's hopes of mounting the title challenge after having endured a torrid time in the first half of the season.
Salgonka came into this match with the bottom runners with great confidence on the back of a 5-match undefeated run. The Green Brigade also had the motivation of breaking into the 5th place in the league. The defending champions surged ahead in the 13th minute when Hull goalkeeper P. Pramod played a spectator to Francis Fernandez's close-range header.
Salgonka against HAL Bangalore. Pramod, a simple goal, absolutely out of nothing. Tombas ball in, Fernandez completely unmarked, and Pramod just watched the header sail past him.
Hull had great chance to equalize in the 28th minute, but smart work by Salgonka goalkeeper Vinay Singh throttled the visitors' opportunity. Salgonka's second goal came in the 54th minute. In Japanese striker Roiji Suoka found the net with this fine header from Nicolau Colasso's cross.
Scores again. Colasso's ball in. Suoka's header.
Salgonka got the third goal in the 72nd minute through a brilliant effort from Gilbert Oliveira.
Beaten, and Oliveira kept his cool to beat Pramod as well. Neatly taken, neatly worked. And Salgonka lead by 3-0.
Randeep Singh scored the 4th goal with a fine shot in the 85th minute to complete a powerful performance by Karim Ben Sharifa's team. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Congratulations.
Sporting Club de Goa have signed South Korean striker Park Jae-hyun. The striker was handed his match jersey at the clubhouse in Panji on Wednesday. The 31-year-old striker will play in a supporting role to James Moga and comes with vast experience of Korean League and a brief stint in Greece. Park is yet to gauge the pace of the I-League, but is firm about bettering Sporting's position in the league.
Sporting Club de Goa's Vice President Victor Fernandez and club's manager Angelo Albuquerque handed over Park Jae-hyun his match jersey in flaming orange's club office at Panji. The tall and well-built South Korean will sport the traditional striker's favourite number 9 on his back. A jubilant Park spoke to Prudent after receiving his jersey from the management.
I'm here with Sporting's latest signing and a very experienced Korean player called Park Jae-hyun. You played in Greece, so what is the level of, how is Greece football played? Is it attacking, defensive? And then what is Korean football like compared to Greece?
No. Greece football is defensive, Korea football is attacking like EPL.
What positions you played in at Korea? Where did you get positioned when you used to play?
I was in Korea, play center forward, left wing, right wing, striker. Greece, I was Greece, left wing midfielder.
Now in India and for Sporting, what position you will play?
I will play center forward and shadow striker in Sporting Club.
So you will be playing with James Moga?
James, yeah, with him. Yeah, yes.
You met James Moga. Did you meet him? Have you said hello to him? Played with him?
Yeah, I say hello to James Moga. Yeah, yes.
How is he? You've already made friends with him?
Yeah, we are friend and player. So I will help him. So same, Moga also help me. Okay. So we can go champion. Okay. Yes.
And what is your plan for Sporting? Right now, Sporting number 9 on the league. What is your plan from here? Your future for Sporting?
It is, I wanna improve in the table because Sporting is 9, so I try.
From Panji, our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us @PrudentGoa to get latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media.